These are quick, so we'll do it quickly. That's a third degree or a third power. This is a first power. Together they make 4 if you add them together, because you're multiplying x times x to the third ultimately. That gives you a 4th degree polynomial. Okay? You're looking at the roots. There's one root at 0, and the other root is at 4, 0. Okay, but that 4, 0 is a special root. It's called a triple root, or it does something cool. That's 4, and this is 0. The fact that it's negative means it's decreasing to the right. And I tell my students this, that the sign on the left side of the equation identifies what you do on the right side of the graph. Okay, so it's going down and to the right. We know that because of the negative. We also know that as we approach the 4, and I'll sometimes have my students put an X on some of the special roots. There is a special root here. It's a squiggle, it's a slow, it's a hinge. If you change directions and then redirect again, that's essentially what you want to do there at the 4. And as you turn back around, it's going to go down pretty steep like that. So there's that. When you jump over to this side over here, you've got 2 degrees accounted for here, then another 1, then another 1. So a total of 4 degrees. So this is another 4th degree polynomial. It's going to look different than this one though. We have a root at negative 3, 0. We have a root at 2, 0. We have a root at 5, 0. If I identify those, there's 3, negative. There's 2, and then there's 5. Okay? The fact that this is positive 1 or positive something means it's going up and to the right. And since that's only a normal root, and by the way, I'll put an X there to remind myself that there's where the double root is. Okay? It's cutting straight through. But as I turn, I come back, there's another root right there, and as I turn once again, I'm reminded, because of the X and because of the 2 at the negative 3, there's a double root. So I change direction to go up like that. And so that shows me kind of a single root, and a double root, and what that sort of entails.